welcome aboard Flight 116 to Stuttgart. We'll be underway shortly once we get airborne, 8 hours, 27 minutes en route. And we'll be cruising at 35,000 feet. Should be a mostly good ride. There is a chance of some rough air along the way, so I'd like to ask you to please hit seatbelt signs for your safety. When we land in Stuttgart tomorrow, should be temperature in the mid-30s with clear skies. Thanks again for choosing Delta. Welcome on board.
Meine Damen und Herren, unsere Piloten heißen Sie auch willkommen an Bord unserem Flug nach Stuttgart. Bei unserer Ankunftszeit hier in Stuttgart wird die Temperatur ungefähr 1 Grad Celsius sein und leicht bewölkt. Unsere Bordtür ist jetzt geschlossen. Wir bitten Sie, sich zu vergewissern, dass Sie sicher angeschnallt sind, dass Ihr Handgepäck gut verstaut ist. Der Platz bei Ihren Füßen muss zum Start und zur Landung frei sein. Alle elektronischen Geräte wie Laptops müssen vor dem Abflug unter dem Vordersitz oder in den Gepäckfächern verstaut werden und dürfen nicht in den Sitztaschen gelegt werden. Masken sind jetzt für alle Passagiere und Besatzungsmitglieder an Bord keine Pflicht mehr. Es steht Ihnen jedoch frei, weiterhin eine Maske zu tragen.
Shall we get our headphones in? Shall we get our headphones? Shall we get our headphones?
Yeah, leave both.
Need headphones? Shall we get our headphones? Go.
The power of one may be strong, but the power of 80,000, it's unstoppable. And today, like every day,
Please take your seats and fasten your seatbelts and make sure that overhead bins are closed. Bitte sofort Platzstabilis anschnallen.
just to put customers first, to welcome you.
Shall we get our headphones?
It's the journey that makes the difference.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying with Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important safety message.
Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Please keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew members' instructions in addition to posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. The forward 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside the window frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with a green exit symbol. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. If there's a loss of power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask or streamer down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, blood vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling over.
For children who weigh less than 35 pounds, place the vest around the infant's waist and secure the strap between the legs. Refer to your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are located in a marked compartment in the rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure your seatbelt is fastened low and tight across your lap. Your carry-on items are secured in aisle armrests or a resting position.
Finally, please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
Folks in the cockpit crew, I'd like to extend our welcome aboard Delta's Flight 116, service to Stuttgart. Looks like we're going to be next in line for takeoff. Flight 10 space credit cap for departure. Thank you.
We do know that many of the videos are not working, so we're going to reset the whole system. We're going to turn it all off and reset it. It'll be just a few minutes. We do apologize for the inconvenience.